Welcome to the ultimate face-off between electric and hydrogen cars. Are EVs really the cash-saving champions we all think they are? Or is hydrogen hiding some secret advantages? When it comes to choosing an eco-friendly ride, the battle's fierce. Both electric and hydrogen promise a cleaner drive, but which is friendlier to your wallet? Today, I'm tackling the pros and cons of each, and you'll get a first-hand look at which one is worth your hard-earned money. Cost is a biggie. High sticker prices, fuel, maintenance. Do EVs win the affordability race? Or do hydrogen fuel cells have hidden costs no one talks about? And then there's range anxiety. Will you make it home or be stuck with a dead battery in the middle of nowhere? Let's break it down. Electric vehicles are powered by efficient motors, cheaper to fuel, and need less maintenance. You can even charge them at home for a fraction of the price of gas. But hydrogen vehicles use cutting-edge tech, mixing hydrogen with oxygen to power up. It sounds futuristic, but what's the catch? The numbers are eye-opening. Charging an EV costs around $3–5 per 100 miles, while hydrogen fuel cell fill-ups can hit $15 to $20. Plus, EV owners get sweet incentives and tax credits in many countries, making them even more appealing. So which is the long-term winner? For now, electric cars have the edge by about $14,000 in lifetime savings, according to the Union of Concerned Scientists. But the final choice depends on your priorities and lifestyle. So what's your take? EV or hydrogen? Drop a comment, and don't forget to check out our next video where we explore the future of green tech. If you like our video, please click the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.